In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your productivity by integrating Clickup with Outlook and Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. This integration can streamline your workflow, making it easier to collaborate and manage your tasks efficiently. First, let's head over to Clickup. This platform is your go-to hub for task management and productivity. The integration we're about to set up will allow you to seamlessly synchronize your tasks and schedules across different platforms. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, you'll want to go ahead and click on the login option at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, just follow the instructions to create one. Next, to log in, you should see an option to sign in with Google. Choose this method if you want to streamline your login process with a Google account linked to your other work tools. Once you've clicked this, you will be prompted to select your Google account from a list. Simply choose your account and you'll be directed back to ClickUp. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You should see a small profile icon. Click on your profile to bring up a drop-down menu and then hover over the Apps section. This is where we'll integrate other tools with ClickUp. From here, select the App Center. The App Center is a valuable feature that lets you connect ClickUp with various apps that can boost your productivity. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Teams. Click on it to start the integration process. You'll now be presented with a Connect button. Go ahead and click this, which will begin the integration between ClickUp and Teams. This feature will help you keep your conversations and task management all in one place, reducing the need to switch frequently between apps. Once you have set up Microsoft Teams, we can move on to Outlook. In the search bar, simply type Outlook and look for Outlook Calendar. Click on it when you find it, then select the Configure option. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize how the integration works to best suit your needs. The final step is to click Connect. This will enable ClickUp to sync your calendars, providing a centralized view of all your scheduled tasks and meetings. This way you'll never miss another important event and you can manage your time with greater efficiency. And there you have it. With your ClickUp, Outlook and Microsoft Teams accounts now fully integrated, you'll enjoy a smoother, more organized workflow. This integration is not just about convenience, it's an essential step in leveraging technology to streamline your daily tasks and enhance your productivity. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your efficiency in the digital workspace.